Hi all, my name is Erica Plemons and I'm a senior economist with Bright MLS. Inventory has continued to stay ahead of where it was in the past year, up 25.7% across the Mid-Atlantic region for the week ending July 13th. These additional homes on the market have given buyers more choices as well as more time to shop. We know that the median time to contract has increased from where it was last summer and is also increasing as we approach the fall months. For our latest week, the median time to contract was 27 days across the Mid-Atlantic, and you can find out your specifics for your local market in the full report. If you're curious about more housing market trends, understanding the differences across the region, and knowing how the economic data is faring, please join me on Thursday, July 17th at 3:15 p.m. for our Housing Market Update webinar. You can register for it under the Trainings menu on brightmls.com.